Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss one of the most successful launching vehicle systems of ISRO, through which ISRO has introduced its PSLV C-49 into its low Earth orbit. My name is Lakshmiya. I am science and technology and anthropology expert. So PSLV C-49 is the 51st experiment of ISRO, and in this experiment, through this experiment, ISRO has successfully launched Earth observation satellites into the low Earth orbit. And this low Earth orbit is nothing but which is located at the height of 160 to 1600 kilometers. The main objective of this orbit is to identify the remote sensing for identifying the natural resources and disaster management. And the Earth observation satellite has its applications in. So these three important areas of applications: agriculture, forestry, and disaster management. So these are the three important applications which can be done through the EOS, Earth Observation Satellite. And this EOS, this PSLV C-49, so being the indigenously developed launching vehicle, and it has carried 9 foreign satellites from 3 countries. So 3 countries has collectively supplied 9 satellites. So these 10 satellites cumulatively launched through the launching vehicle called as PSLV C-49, and which is a XL variant. XL variant is nothing but the with added strap-on motors. The launching vehicle which is having extra strap-on motors can be called as XL variant. And what are the 9 customer satellites that has been carried by this PSLV C-49? So the customer satellites launched through the agreement done through the New Space India Limited. NSIL is a space agency which will look after all the international agreements or international arrangements of ISRO. So we can say it is the external trade wing of ISRO. Earlier in its place, Antrix used to perform this particular thing, but recently Antrix has been replaced by NSIL, New Space India Limited. And what are the 9 customer satellites? 4 satellites from USA and 4 satellites from Luxembourg and 1 satellite from Lithuania, and R2 satellite from Lithuania. And the major objective of R2 satellite is for objective technology demonstration. Technology demonstration is nothing but it is a experimental satellite. We can call any TDS, technology demonstration satellites, will be meant for experimental purpose. So how this satellite is responding, how the transponders are working, whether the transponder development is available for the satellite for the country or not. So TDS is the technology demonstration satellites, and 4 more satellites called Clios from Luxembourg. So the main objective of these Clio satellites are meant for maritime security. So how this particular, so being the landlocked country, so this Luxembourg launched 4 Clio satellites, KLEOS, and the major function of these particular 4 satellites is nothing but maritime security. And remaining 4 satellites from USA, which are Lemur class of satellites. Lemur class of satellites. The main objective of these Lemur class of satellites is objective is to identify the multi-mission remote sensing. Multi-mission remote sensing. So that is the information with reference to the PSLV C-49. Thanks for watching. We'll continue in another video.